Hello guys, this is Dr. Tam K. In this video, right, I want to show you how you can get to know the number of persons that have subscribed to SWIFTtrip under you directly. Okay, directly under you. All right, so how do you get to know them? Very simple. When you log into a SWIFTtrip app like this, okay, this is shareholder app, as you can see there, right? This is shareholders app. So what you do is just come over here. You're going to see award awaits you. Click on that, and then when you see that, just look up down here. Okay, you're going to see the number of persons that have subscribed to SWIFTtrip directly under you. Mine is 35 so far, and by the time I get 50 of them, all right, directly under you, I'm going to get an extra award of 50,000 naira. Remember, having 50 persons to come under you automatically going to give you like 500,000 naira. As at the time I'm doing this video right now, I'm going to give 500,000 naira plus this 50,000 naira as extra, become 550,000 naira waiting for you guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. I will need you to quickly, as you're saying this video, dive in right now, ask me any question, ask any admin any question. How can I come on board? And then they're going to let you know. Of course, we're going to move to 1 million naira award, and of course the 10 million naira award are waiting you guys. You can't wait to miss SWIFTtrip. SWIFTtrip going to make you a trillionaire in dollars, guys. Dive in and let's go and make money, some money together, right? God bless you. This is Dr. Sam K. I'm going to see you in our next video. Bye for now.